This silly thing. Hi everyone, I cooked the chicken today. 1 pan chicken. Easy, healthy, you should cook it. I show you how to do it. Remember my name is Noi, N-O-I, N-O-I. This smoking sriracha and lamb is the chicken. Sriracha village in Thailand, you know. Actually pronounced Sriracha. Everyone got it wrong. In 10 minutes, we have everything in the pan. Only take Noi 3 minutes. You the people too slow. Now let's cooking. This one, the best marinade in the world. You should always start with Marion kitchen. Gonna get the chicken. I'm using thigh and drumstick today. Check it out. The chili stick to the bottom. Now the open and pour. No. How come you easy? What I can't do this silly thing. Pour on the chicken, mix it all up, cook all the chicken. Put on the side for a minute. Got a lot of vegetable here. Potato, broccoli, asparagus. I want a capsicum too. Now we get everything in a pan. A little bit oil in a hot pan. Now put the chicken in. You're gonna hear the sizzle. That's good. I love the smell. Very good. Now I can smell the color. Let's have a look. Oh yes, beautiful. I like the color. Now we cook a little bit more. Now we got color on both sides. I'm gonna take the chicken out. Not finish the cooking yet, but we'll finish it later. Now with vegetable. Just put potato straight in. Stir it up. Look, we got sriracha potato. Color so nice. Now I'm gonna put my capsicum in. See the American, they go bell pepper. Crazy American. Now I'm gonna grill some lamb. Gonna be nice color. Now it's looking good. I'm gonna put the chicken back in the pan. I want a little bit salt on top of that. Just put a little bit of the chicken. Now I'm gonna put in the oven 1 hour. Oh, look at chicken. Now I'm gonna add some asparagus and broccoli. Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven to finish the cooking. Now look at that. 1 pan dinner from Noi. So easy. Thank you everyone. Try my chicken. You will like it. Delicious.